Welcome back. In this lesson, I'm going to teach you the average function. What is an average? It is a central value of a set of data or a set of numbers. What does it mean? I'll give you an example here. We have the country sales by year table. Let's say we want to get the average sales for the year 2021. So what we're going to do is add these numbers, and the total will be divided by 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, because we have 4 countries or 4 rows to get the average for this column for the year 2020. Another way to explain average is, let's say you have 4 cookies. Let's say you have 8 cookies and 4 consumers. So what you're going to do is divide 8 by 4, which is 2. So each consumer will get, on average, 2 cookies. That's what the average means. So now let's calculate the average sales in the year 2020. So always start with the equal sign and then call out your function name. In this case, it is the average function. Parentheses. Now we want to get the range of data that we want to get the average from. So that's my range. Close parentheses. And I have 44 million. To prove that, we can pull up the calculator here. So we're gonna do 3 million plus 80, 3 plus 25, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and plus 68, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And this is the total. So you're gonna divide this total by 4 because we have 4 rows. And the answer is 44 million, which we have here. You can also do your average on a row. Let's say we want to get the average sale for US within the last 1, 2, 3, 4 years. So what do? When you're doing it on a row, you have to type it just like we did on the column. But I'm gonna show you another way of getting the average automatically on a column. So let's do the row. In a row, you always have to type. Write your average function here, and then select your range, which is there. Close parenthesis. That is the answer. And the quickest way to get the average is using the auto average function. What you have to do is select the cell where you want to get the average from, and then you go here and get the auto average. You see now it has selected the range for you and written the function for you as well. All you have to do is click the enter key on the keyboard. Now you have to answer. You have your answer. Now this auto average, anything that's here that's auto sum average count numbers, will not apply to the row. It's not gonna work with the row. You row in a row, you have to type